Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of the XRP Ripple coin and what is the next target of XRP Ripple coin in the April month friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly make sure to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates friends. Kindly don't ignore my words. Kindly please subscribe my channel, very important for me. Kindly help me and support me. Kindly click the subscribe button right now. I know you subscribe my channel, so a lot of thanks to all of you friends. As you can see here, the price of the XRP Ripple coin is about 1.23 USD dollar is a high price of XRP Ripple coin at this time friends. Absolutely a high price. And if you look the change occur in XRP Ripple coin, a lot of people personally message me on Instagram that XRP Ripple coin continuously falls down from the last 1 week. As you can see here, the last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day change is negative, and the last 1 week, last 7 day change is also negative. That is why a lot of people message me on Instagram that please make a video. What should we do at this time? As you know, the continuously falls occur in XRP Ripple coin. So what is the best time to buy, sell, or hold XRP Ripple coin? So finally, in this video I will show you the next target of XRP Ripple coin and what is the best time to buy, sell, or hold XRP Ripple coin please. Now the change, as you know, falls occur in XRP Ripple coin and the market rank is about 4 is the market rank of the XRP Ripple coin. Now for more details, let's check it out the last 1 hour price prediction chart. As you can see here, and the last 1 hour chart is on the screen. If we look the change occur in the last 1 hour, so the change is about negative 2.7% and the high price is about 1.26 USD dollar is a high price of the XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour friends. As you can see here, continuously falls occur in the XRP Ripple coin at this time. Now currently they are also in the falling mode friends. Now let's try to detect the next target after XRP Ripple coin. Let's do the technical analysis of the last 1 day price predictions. The change occur in the last 1 day as about 18.01% negative and the high price is about 1.49 USD dollar is the high price of the last 1 day friends. Now let's check it out the technical analysis of the XRP Ripple coin and try to predict the next target of the XRP Ripple coin friends. As you can see here, for let's suppose that is a support level of the XRP Ripple coin, and now that is a resistance level of the XRP Ripple coin friends. If they continue has traveled in between these two lines, so what's happened in the future? As you can see here, take a jump, falls down, take a jump. As you can see here, again falls down, and now I think it's again time to take a jump friends. So don't worry about this. It's a continuously procedure. As you can see here, they take a jump at this point and falls down at this point friends. So that is a continuously procedure occur in XRP Ripple coin. So now in the future there is a jump occurs, as you can see here at this time friends. The falls occur and after a falls there is a jump. That is a phenomena of XRP Ripple coin. As you can see here, at these positions, a lot of positions they falls down. As you can see at this time they falls down, and after a falls they take a jump, falls down, take a jump, as you can see here. So same process occur at this time. As you can see here, now at this time they falls down, and now at this time they take a jump. Now again they falls down, and now soon they take a jump at this point friends. So what's your opinion about XRP Ripple coin? Maybe they continue as travel at this time. As you can see here, at this time take a jump, falls down, and after falls take a jump again friends. So what's your opinion about XRP Ripple coin? I think 70% chances to they take a jump in the future and 30% chances to they falls down. So what's your opinion? Please share in the comment box and kindly subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.